So let's set the scene. It was 2021 and the British government had put its people into a full-on lockdown. No gyms were open and you weren't allowed to leave the house. The game train had been halted and all the trend suppliers had gone into hiding. However, I was not willing to give up my hard-fought gains for nothing and I was ready to fight for them. Creating an at-home chest routine proved relatively easy, however I still needed to address my back. On that note guys, I'll be running you through a no equipment back workout that you can do at home in 15 minutes easy. Let's do it. First off, you're going to want to grab a towel and then you want to roll it up into a tube-like shape as I show here. So this first exercise is called the towel pull-up, and what you want to do is have your arm stretched out, the towel taut in your hand, and you want to pull it back with your scapula retracted and your legs slightly off the ground. I like to do this exercise for 3 sets of 10 reps and pause when you pull the towel back just to get the maximum squeeze in the back. The second exercise is called the Iron Man fly. So similar to the last exercise, you want to have your legs slightly raised off the ground as well as your upper body. When you retract your scapula, your hands go from facing upwards to facing downwards and you want to really tense your back whilst doing this. Once again, I do 3 sets of 10 reps. This third exercise is called the boat, and my oh my, it is tough. So what you want to do is raise your right hand and meanwhile raise your left leg, so kind of corresponding to each other, and then hold it for a second and then switch to your left arm and your right leg. And before you fuckers say anything, I'm not sunburnt, it's a healthy glow, alright?
This is Grant's back. Oh, it looks fucking painful.
Oh my god. Unsurprisingly, I also do this exercise for 3 sets of 10 reps. The fourth exercise we have is the towel bent over row. So what you want to do is grab the towel with your palms facing upwards, keep the towel tight and pull whilst retracting your scapula towards you and hold it there for a brief second and then let it go and do it again. I tend to perform this exercise for 4 sets of 10 reps, however this can be varied. This exercise is called the reacher row. So what you want to do is have your arms straight out and then pull them back, really squeezing your back as you do it. You want to have your legs slightly off the ground as well as your upper body, and imagine you're trying to squeeze an egg in between your shoulder blades. I would do this exercise for around 3 sets of 10 reps, similar to many of the other ones. So, the final exercise is pull-ups, and I know before you say this isn't entirely in keeping with the no equipment policy, I would just say that I'm fortunate obviously to have this door frame attached to my garage which I can perform the press-ups on, but if you look around many of your houses or gardens, wherever you are, you will find places where you can do sort of improvised pull-ups, so at least look around, if not then go to the park and use a tree. Anyways guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found the video informative, and yeah, try out these exercises. They're convenient and you can do them very easily and in a short space of time. Like and subscribe as more content will be coming to the channel soon. Cheers.